Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually on the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do research. Try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the House of Swiss Arabian. Swiss Arabian is another Middle Eastern perfume house from United Arab Emirates. They've been around for more than 40 years and they have a very extensive perfume lineup in their portfolio, hundreds probably, and they are a true house. So they make everything from the raw material to the end product themselves in the house. And I unboxed and reviewed many of their fragrances before, and they are very impressive, especially for the price. So this one is from the Shaghaf line, which is quite a well-known line. This is quite a popular line. They have probably about 10 or 12 of them in this lineup, and this one is the originator. This is the original Shaghaf, which is called simply Shaghaf for men. Some people call it Shaghaf Blue. That's not the official name. The official name is Shaghaf for Men, and it came out around 10 years ago. So this is not a new fragrance, but because I unboxed and reviewed a few of the Shaghaf line, I thought, why not just give you the my take on the originator, which is Shaghaf for Men, the original, because not many people talk about the I think probably one or two people I saw, they have a kind of review, very short, on YouTube. So this one is a 75ml Eau de Perfume, and in United Kingdom you can find it under £30. Very nice texture to the box, simple box, but it does the job perfectly, which is protecting the bottle. Sorry about the noise. Let's go and do unboxing, but please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, show me your love, and like, subscribe, which is free by the way, share this video with others, comment. All these things would help this channel to keep afloat, to survive, to stay in this endeavor, to bring you fragrances like this in future. Thank you very much for your support, and let's go. Sorry about the noise when you do unboxing. You can't do anything about it. So it's all silver with the black writing on it. Quite a nice box and its texture to it, and it opens like this. Yeah, very nice presentation overall. Again, on the simple side, but we like the simple when they give us a good juice. So the bottle, exactly the same bottle as every other Shaghaf, but this one is transparent, and the color of the juice is almost blue, almost green. Is between green and a light green and light blue, which is like a turquoise color. 75ml. This is obviously aimed for men. It's Eau de Perfume. It's got a nice bottle. It's got this texture to it, and it's quite heavy, and the cap is quite weight to it, but it's a combination of plastic and metal, I think. And the atomizer is modern and silver, and here we go. Let's see an atomizer. Good atomizer. It doesn't put too much juice out, but it's not bad. It's good. It's not, but it's good. So this is a Shaghaf original, or Shaghaf for men, or Shaghaf Blue, whichever you want to call it. Wow. Woo! It's filling the room already. Very sweet. Ooh, very fruity. Aquatic. Quite floral. Woody. Alright, let's see. Here we go. First impression for Shaghaf, the original Shaghaf for men. Wow. This is sweet. So you need to like your sweet fragrances. Although is I will categorize it, at least for first impression, fresh to semi-fresh, but very sweet. So sweetness for now is around 7 to 8 in terms of sweetness, so it's very sweet. So you need to like your sweet. You have to have a sweet tooth like myself. So opened up, very big on the fruits. I can smell plum, maybe pear, apple. Yeah, very fruity. Quite a crispy apple in here, plummy. It's about berry-like smell to it as well, but it's like a fruit after fruit after fruit. Hint of citruses in here as at the moment. Not too much, but it's just quite citrusy. But overall, I smell something like almost tropical. It's not too, it doesn't go fully fledged tropical, but it's almost in there. Definitely pineapple. Is that passion fruit? I smell something like passion fruit. Anyway, so very fruity. Yeah, very fruity. Right now, it's dominated by the fruits and the sweetness. So I'm expecting it to be something in the base to give it that sweetness. Maybe there's a vanilla, maybe there's a tonka bean, but a hint of nuttiness in here. Yeah, it's quite nutty, hint of nuttiness, and a hint of herbalness. It's quite herbal, green, aquatic, definitely quite aquatic, but the aquaticness right now is shadowed by that sweetness which is coming from the fruits. And it's got a tinge of herbalness, hint of aquaticness. The aquaticness in here is quite fresh water rather than salty. But those fruits are massive, at least right now, for first impression. Who is it for? This is, you need to like your sweet fragrances first and foremost. You need to like them fresh to semi-fresh. You need to like them aquatic, watery, fruity, herbal, fresh to semi-fresh, and also there's about woodiness in the base. I'm smelling something in the base which is giving it a little body. Maybe there's a vetiver, maybe there's a patchouli in here. Let's see what it is. Anyway, let's see what they say in terms of note breakdown on their website, if I can find it, as always. Here we go. So this is Swiss Arabian Shaghaf original, or Shaghaf for men. We got orange, lemon, and lavender. Yes, it is very aromatic. Yeah, very aromatic. So it is aromatic, and that lavender is by far is one of the biggest players after those fruits. So the fruits are very dominant right now. Orange, lemon, yes, I'm getting zestiness, but they are secondary. What else do you have? We have in the mid we have C notes, which is the aquaticness. Yes, it is quite aquatic, but it doesn't have that much saltiness, or at least it's not salty to my nose. It's more like fresh water right now. Cardamom, cinnamon. It's quite spicy. Yes, it is spicy, and that cinnamon is giving it some part of that sweetness coming from that cinnamon. Sage, which is, as I said, it's about herbal, it's about green. Cypriol, again, cypriol oil giving it that greenness and leafiness. Marigold, I don't know what marigold smells like, but it is quite floral right now as well. Praline, praline is giving it that sweetness as well as the cinnamon, but it's very fruity, which is they're not mentioning it. So I'm getting something like plum, apple, pear, maybe even berries, but they're not mentioning it in the note breakdown. But after those fruitiness is the aromaticness. After those aromaticness or the aquaticness, and after those aquaticness or the spiciness. It's quite spicy, combination of that cardamom and the cinnamon giving it that spiciness. The sage and the cypriol all giving it that green herbal feel to it. Praline and what else? Tulu balsam, patchouli, amber, ebony tree, and rosewood. So praline is giving it that sweetness, which is quite similar to what we get from vanilla, which is very apparent in here. Tulu balsam, I'm not getting that much. Maybe a hint of some powderiness in here. Very minimalistic right now, but at least this is for first impression. patchouli just giving it that supportive role, and the body, it's not big at the moment. And amber, yes, it's quite ambery, but the amber in here is effervescent, it's bright, it's happy amber, it's very transparent amber. Woody ebony tree, I'm getting woodiness. Ebony tree, I'm not sure. I'm getting more like a combination of cedar and sandalwood, maybe some ambroxan in here as well, and the rosewood. So overall, what I'm getting from it mainly is very fruity, sweet, and aromatic. It's quite citrusy in the beginning, but those sweet fruits are very, very big in here. And it's quite spicy, but spices are here is mainly fresh spice rather than deep, dense, dark spice. It's quite woody, it's quite ambery. The aquaticness, yes, it's quite watery, but not too much salt in here. Just hint of maybe minimalistic on the salt. And it's quite balsamic. Yes, I'm getting hint of balsamicness from that Tulu balsam, but it doesn't go fully fledged powdery at the moment because it's the first impression. It might go more powdery in the dry down. So in the next video, I'll let you know the development, the longevity, and things like that. But for now, for right now, it is minimalistic, and a little bit of herbal and greenness, which is coming from those sage and the cypriol oil. So this is the first impression for this fragrance. Overall, to some extent, is not a copy. Don't quote me and go say, oh, this is a copy of that. But to some extent, it reminds me of Paco Rabanne Black Excess, yes. Especially those big fruits, especially those pineapple-y fruits, plummy fruits in here, like the Black Excess. At least in the first impression for now, it smells very similar to that. Again, it's not a one-to-one to it, it's not a copy of it, but it is in that genre of perfumery. So if you like Black Excess by Paco Rabanne, probably you will like this. Very similar genre of perfumery in here. The DNA are very, very similar to each other. So who is it for? This is, I would say, is ageless because of that fruity sweetness. I won't recommend it for a very mature person because the sweetness might put you off. I like it. I'm a middle-aged man. I'm a Middle Eastern man. I've been around fragrances for a long time. So for me, it's it's up my alley. I love my sweet fragrances. But for you, you have to decide either you like that sweetness or not, because it's quite sweet. And in terms of gender, I would say this is bang in the middle. Anybody can wear it, ladies and men, because of those fruity floral aspect of it. It gives it that feel of unisex. In terms of the season, this is again all year round. You can use it all year round. In summer, in winter, no problem. In summer, less sprays. In winter, more sprays. At the moment, it's filling the room, filling the house. So I'll let you know the longevity and things like that. And in terms of occasion, this is one of those Swiss Army knife. You can dress up, dress it down, daytime, nighttime, formal occasion, casual, anything you want. So for that, and for under £30, this is a good fragrance, or at least for first impression. Again, let's see how is the dry down, because at the moment it's very sweet and almost is covering everything else. It's quite hard to pick up the other notes right now. Okay guys, so if you have it, if you know it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, please don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you fragrance like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They're amazing value for money, they smell great, and they're hidden gems. This could be a hidden gem, at least for the price. It smells very, very good right now. And if you like to purchase more of my own perfumes, yes, I'm a perfume myself. I make my own line of perfumes. They are ultra beast mode, 100% natural, amazing value for money, very, very unique and artistic, and basically you can't find them anywhere else apart from myself. And I put the best of ingredients in there for you guys. You know me, I love my beast mode fragrances, and I'll leave them in the link as well. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye.